In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow screen sharing in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a meeting for colleagues or teaching a class, screen sharing can be a vital tool to make sure everyone is on the same page. So let's dive right in and explore how to enable this feature step by step. First, you'll need to head over to zoom.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're entering your credentials correctly, because this will enable access to the various settings we need to adjust. If you're using a shared device, make sure it's your account you're logging into to prevent changing someone else's settings inadvertently. Once logged in, take a moment to locate and click on your profile icon. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Your profile icon acts as a gateway to your account settings and personalized Zoom experience, so you'll often find yourself coming back here. After successfully navigating to your profile, the next step is to select the web app. This will open up the web-based version of Zoom, offering a straightforward and accessible way to manage your meetings without the need for downloading additional software. The web app interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, so rest assured you'll find it quite user-friendly. Now, it's time to click on New Meeting. This action initiates a meeting using your Zoom settings, readying it for potential participants to join. Even if you're not immediately starting a live session, this helps in setting things up in advance. Once your meeting interface opens, pay attention to the lower part of the screen, where you'll see the Share Screen button. You need to click on the small arrow next to it. This arrow is your direct link to customizing how screen sharing functions during your meetings. From this point, you'll see two options presented. You can either choose from these default settings or click further into Advanced Sharing Options. If you're seeking more control over who can share their screen and when, these advanced options are incredibly useful. Under the Advanced Sharing Options menu, you're provided with various customizations. Experiment with these until you find the configuration that best suits your meeting's needs, such as whether all participants can share their screens or if only you, the host, can. Finally, after making your selections, remember to click Close. This action will save your settings and return you to the meeting interface screen. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to enabling screen sharing in your Zoom meetings. Remember, being confident in managing your Zoom settings not only helps meetings run smoothly, but also makes for a more professional appearance. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!